Croeso. Welcome to Chill Cymru, a meditative journey through the soul of Wales that is all about embracing the hwyl, a deep state of joy that comes from being totally immersed in the moment. Each journey takes you to a different corner of this special country, through sound and story, wherever you are in the world. In this episode, you're at Pen y Pass, which translates to the head of the pass in the Eryri National Park. This is the access point to both the miners and pig track trailheads leading to the peak of Yr Wyddfa. This is an ancient land. Pen y Pass, the gateway to Yr Wyddfa, the sacred summit of Eryri, the highest point in Wales. Allow yourself to take in its quiet splendour. These mountains have stood for countless millennia, forged from volcanic fire, and they will remain for infinite years to come. They rise around you, primeval, silent, their peaks wrapped in mist, unknowable. This is a spiritual place that stands outside time. Breathe it in. The space, the stillness. Allow the magnitude to swallow you whole. At Pen y Pass, these paths of the miner's track and pig track stretch out, tracing the steps of all those who have come before you. Miners, pilgrims, wanderers, all those who wish to pay homage to Yr Wyddfa. The mountain holds their memories. Feel the cool, clean air on your skin and breathe in the scent of the flinty rocks and mineralized stone. The low-lying mosses, heathers, and wildflowers. The gentle fragrance of the Lily'r Wyddfa, the unique flower that grows here, catches on the breeze. The damp earth, and something older still. Legends linger here. The spirits of Eryri. The mountains are alive with myth. You can feel the magic of the land. It is present, a quiet, enduring power, thrumming through the landscape, audible to those that can attune themselves to its frequency. As you slowly breathe in and breathe out, feel grounded, connected to the sacred peaks around you, the ancient earth beneath your feet, the stories of the mountains, the cool kiss of the wind, to the rhythm of Cymru itself. You are calm. You are adref, home. To discover the real Wales and plan your visit, go to visitwales.com.